Students, today we are going to discuss about the floating point output. Floating point number can be displayed either in a decimal form or scientific notation. The percentage F and percentage E character groups are used respectively. Example, printf percentage F, comma X. If X contains value 24, then the output is 24.0000. See here, X contains the value, whatever the value it may be 23, it may be 1, it may be 2, something. See, if you preferred percentage F under printf statement, the output seems like this. Whatever the input you have passed, like 1 or 2, something 3, 4, 5. Here 24 they have given. Then we need a fraction is nothing but we need certain kinds of decimal things for that. 24.0000. Like this output looks like. We can restrict the number of digits after decimal point by using an appropriate field specification. Here printf 6.2 F, comma P. We need to give the input to pth variable, whatever the input it may be. Here it shows to print the number having a maximum of 6 characters including a decimal point, and there must be 2 digits after the decimal point. It contains the value of P is 543.671. Then the output is 543.67 because according to that printf statement we have percentage 6.2 F, comma P. P have the value is P equal to 543.671 is there, but we need to print like this 543.61 because we have used percentage 6.2 F under that, because after that decimal point we need 2 digits. Total 6 characters over there. Like one more example, printf percentage 6.1 F, comma P. Then the output is 543.7. After that decimal, like after that decimal point, we need only one value. I mean, it is 7. After that decimal, we need only 1. The output seems like this, 543.7. Usually the floating point numbers in a scientific notation can be displayed using percentage E character group. For example, printf percentage E, comma P. Suppose P equals to 56.6732, then the output looks like this. If I can prefer percentage E, in printf statement, then the output looks like this, 5.66732 E plus 01. Printf percentage 10.2 E, comma P. This statement indicates there are 10 columns reserved because we prefer 10 over there, and there must be 2 characters after the decimal point. Because we used 10.2 content under the printf statement, we need to reserve 10 character, like 10 columns, and then after that decimal point we need 2 character after that decimal point. If P contains the value of 56.6732, then the output is 5.67 E plus 01. Next thing is character output. Its single character or string can be displayed onto the standard output device by using the printf statement. The percentage C and percentage S character groups are used respectively. Example, printf percentage C, comma ch, where ch is a variable of type char. If ch is a then the A is displayed on the screen. Here according to that if ch is nothing but here character, the type of C here. If ch is A, then A will be displaying on that particular screen. For example, if you passed, like if you given input to that particular ch equals to A generally, then the output will be A, that will be displayed on your particular screen, output screen. A string displaying format, printf percentages, comma book. Here the variable book is string of characters, and before this book must be declared as char book of 20, because here char book of 20 is nothing but book of 20 is nothing but the size that shows the size of that particular string, like how much the thing. For example, think like this: you have given college, welcome to college programming something. You need to count over there, like it will going to count the thing. For example, if the capacity, if the like whatever the characters, whatever the string you have mentioned, you have given input, if the things exceeds, like for example, welcome to college, like WELCOME space, total WEL 3 characters, COME 4 character, total 7 character, then one more space 8 character, come to college, TO2, then 2 character, 8 plus 2 10 character, one more space, like 11 college, COLLEGE, like this. Like for example, if the thing exceeds, obviously whatever the word ends to that particular string, that will be going to display in your particular screen. For example, here the variable book is string of characters, and before this book must be declared as char book of 20. If the string is programming in C, then the output is, see, like this, because count it, programming in C, how many characters are there in that given input. PROGRAMMING in C, 3 6 9 11 12 13 14 15 16, then output will go into display in your particular screen. For example, again you have added programming in C and Java. For example, you have given input like this, something, whatever the input it may be. See, it will going to count the character, because we have clearly mentioned that size over there. In while writing a code, we need to mention a particular size for that particular input here. If the thing exceeds, like where it will end, it will going to display there. Then the output is, for example, according to that this particular string programming in C, then the output is programming in C. Printf %20.10s comma book, then the output is program. You might observing here 20.10s. Here we have reserved. The thing will be going to left justified. The thing will going to move towards left, because 3 6 8 spaces we shifted that particular input, whatever the input you have supplied. Example, printf %20.10s comma book, then it is left justified, that is first 10 locations of 20 output. As I told that the thing will go into left justifying, the thing will go into move towards the left side, 10 locations. Then this is a simple program. This will understand how things are working. Write a C program to find addition of given two numbers. As we all know that addition of two number, generally if I can speak manual, like if I can ask a question like this, what is the value of 2 plus 3? Obviously you will say a 5, but computer don't know that 2 plus 3. Obviously we need a certain kinds of code to produce, to build an output, whatever the output we said now, generally 2 plus 3 equals to 5. See, with that code will produce the output. With this particular code, whatever the code, the thing is displayed on particular screen, with this code will going to generate output. Hash include stdio.h. stdio.h is nothing but this particular entire line can act as a header file. This stdio.h is nothing but standard input output .h. This can be acts as a header file also. This can act as a library things. Main function. Obviously each and every program should start with the main function. Int a comma b comma sum. Int can act as a type. A comma b comma sum can act as variables. Clear screen. Obviously we need to use clearing the particular output screen. Printf, enter given two number. Printf can be act as a output statement. Here scanf can act as an input statement, because we need two variables. That's why we are preferring %d 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 is nothing but integer type here. ampersand a comma ampersand b. Sum equals to a plus b. Print this is a particular whatever the value we have given based on scanf with the help of a keyboard, that will be going to store under third variable, that is nothing but sum here. Printf. So once we produced output, like once we got the output, obviously we need to display that particular content on particular screen, like output screen, like this. Printf sum value equals to percentage d comma sum, whatever the value you have like passed to that. For example, think like this, you have given input like the 2 comma 3, 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. That value will be stored under some variable that will be going to display on your particular screen. This is about find addition of given two numbers program. Thank you.